When we lift our eyes to the night sky, the brilliance of stars and galaxies overwhelms our senses. These points of light, though dazzling, represent only a fraction of the universe's true composition. Beyond what the eye can see, beyond the glow of the Milky Way, lies a vast, hidden realm, an invisible substance that outweighs ordinary matter by nearly 6 times. This is dark matter, the elusive cosmic material that neither emits nor absorbs light, that betrays its presence only through gravity's subtle fingerprints. It shapes the universe on the grandest scales, weaving the cosmic web and dictating the motion of galaxies and clusters. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched into orbit with instruments designed to capture visible and ultraviolet light with unprecedented clarity, was not intended to reveal this mysterious component directly. Yet, through innovative techniques and precise measurements, it became humanity's most powerful eye on the invisible. Hubble's revelations about dark matter have reshaped our understanding of the cosmos, challenging our assumptions and illuminating the darkness that holds the universe together. Our familiar world, the atoms that form stars, planets, and living beings, accounts for only a small fraction of the cosmos. In fact, all the visible matter combined makes up merely about 15% of the total mass energy of the universe. The remaining majority is dark matter, whose nature remains one of the most profound mysteries in modern science. Evidence for this invisible mass emerged gradually over the 20th century. Pioneering astronomers like Fritz Zwicky, observing galaxy clusters, noticed gravitational effects that could not be explained by visible matter alone. Later, Vera Rubin's meticulous studies of galactic rotation curves revealed stars orbiting their galaxies too quickly, hinting at a hidden gravitational influence. But unlike stars and gas clouds, dark matter neither shines nor blocks light. It is completely transparent to electromagnetic radiation. Its presence can only be inferred from its gravitational pull, a cosmic ghost shaping the universe without revealing itself directly. Understanding this shadowy realm demands tools capable of detecting gravity's subtle dance. Tools like the Hubble Space Telescope, which opened a new window into the invisible. Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity fundamentally changed how we perceive gravity. He described it not as a force acting at a distance, but as a curvature of space-time caused by mass and energy. Light, traveling along the straightest possible paths, follows these curves, resulting in what we call gravitational lensing. When a massive object, such as a galaxy cluster, lies between a distant light source and an observer, it bends the light, distorting and magnifying the background object's image. This effect can create stunning visual phenomena, giant luminous arcs, multiple images of the same galaxy, or even complete rings known as Einstein rings. Hubble's sharp optics and stable vantage point above Earth's atmosphere allowed astronomers to capture these intricate distortions with breathtaking precision. By analyzing these warped images, scientists can map the total mass, both visible and invisible, that causes the lensing. This method effectively turns gravity into a cosmic scale, weighing mass that emits no light. It is through these gravitational lenses that Hubble exposed the presence and distribution of dark matter on scales unimaginable before its launch. Among the most compelling pieces of evidence for dark matter comes from the spectacular collision of 2 galaxy clusters known as the Bullet Cluster. This cosmic event offered a natural experiment to separate dark matter from ordinary matter. As the clusters collided, their hot gas, comprising the majority of ordinary matter, interacted and slowed down, emitting powerful X-rays visible to space telescopes like Chandra. In contrast, the dark matter halos, inferred through gravitational lensing from Hubble, pass through the collision largely unaffected. This spatial offset between the centers of visible matter and the gravitational mass provided striking proof that dark matter behaves differently. It does not interact electromagnetically, only gravitationally. Such a clear separation is difficult to reconcile with alternative theories that attempt to explain cosmic phenomena without dark matter. Hubble's contribution in precisely mapping the lensing effects was crucial in confirming this picture, turning a distant cosmic collision into a landmark discovery. The universe on its largest scales resembles a vast cosmic web, a network of filaments stretching across hundreds of millions of light years, connecting clusters and superclusters of galaxies. This intricate structure is largely shaped by dark matter. Through detailed surveys and deep field observations, Hubble detected subtle distortions in the shapes of distant galaxies caused by weak gravitational lensing or cosmic shear. These faint, correlated shape changes trace the filamentary structure of dark matter itself. By combining data from thousands of galaxies, astronomers have been able to reconstruct three-dimensional maps of dark matter distribution, unveiling the universe's hidden skeleton. This cosmic scaffolding governs the flow of ordinary matter, guiding galaxy formation and evolution. These maps offer a tangible glimpse into the invisible, demonstrating how dark matter forms the backbone of cosmic architecture. While strong lensing creates spectacular arcs and rings, most gravitational lensing manifests as a subtle effect, tiny distortions in the shapes of countless background galaxies. This phenomenon, known as cosmic shear, is challenging to detect but rich with information. Hubble's exquisite image quality enabled scientists to measure cosmic shear with unprecedented accuracy, analyzing minute deviations in the ellipticity and orientation of distant galaxies over wide fields of view. These measurements provide statistical maps of how dark matter clusters and evolves over cosmic time, offering critical tests of cosmological models and insights into the nature of dark energy. By detecting these faint signals, Hubble transformed cosmic shear from a theoretical curiosity into a powerful probe of the universe's invisible mass distribution. Though Hubble's observations illuminated where dark matter resides, its true nature remains elusive. Physicists propose various candidates, from weakly interacting massive particles, WIMPs, and axions to sterile neutrinos and other exotic particles. The behavior of dark matter, as revealed by gravitational lensing and cluster dynamics, places stringent constraints on its properties. It must be cold or warm, moving slowly compared to the speed of light, collisionless, and stable over cosmic timescales. Hubble's mapping of dark matter halos and their interactions helps to rule out many theoretical models, particularly those that modify gravity without invoking new particles. The data consistently favor a particulate form of dark matter. This interplay between astrophysical observations and particle physics experiments drives ongoing efforts to detect dark matter directly, connecting the largest cosmic structures to the smallest constituents of matter. Hubble laid the groundwork for precision cosmology, revealing the cosmic distribution of dark matter through gravitational lensing. Yet, this is only the beginning. Upcoming missions like the European Space Agency's Euclid telescope will survey billions of galaxies, mapping dark matter and dark energy across vast cosmic volumes with exquisite detail. NASA's Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope will complement these efforts, extending gravitational lensing studies into the infrared and capturing the universe at earlier epochs. Meanwhile, the James Webb Space Telescope peers into the earliest phases of galaxy formation, revealing how dark matter halos seeded the first luminous structures.